in today's vlog, we know what we're doing. We're back at the new house.
You mean we're not at it, but we're close.
A long sort of time ago, we were listening that was supposed to be Battle Royaling
But they wanted to defeat themselves.
PC77 and Skelly, and then they just never showed up, hey. It was so weird.
They even got a note saying that they're going to defeat themselves.
Yeah, it was so weird, and I don't know what we should do in here. There's actually, I've had this doll since I was little. Can you film?
Yeah.
The doll that my mom got me. I'll show you her.
You mean she bought it before you were little?
Her name's
And that's
Adriana.
creepy.
She was made in, see this date, how it says 5119? I actually think this date is the plus.
I zoomed in so then I could see.
Oh, sorry. I think that this date is the opposite. So 519. Can I see my face? 5119 is actually the opposite way. So 1915. So it goes the opposite way, and she is a bit strange.
Oh, don't put the camera right up the way, dude.
I don't know. She's done a few things lately.
Yeah, like she fell and knocked over your picture.
She knocked over my picture. She wasn't touching it. She knocked over one night, and the next night she knocked over my picture. And then these bits of paper, I didn't have the icon on or anything. These bits of paper were flinging everywhere.
Yeah, and that was when our friend, and Katie, she's gonna make a channel, and she was about to do that, and then like these just pieces of paper. Okay.
Yeah, that was in my room.
Oh yeah.
And
Yeah. And it's just creepy.
and there's like a ton of wind blowing past. It's kind of scary.
May, do you know what the time is?
I don't know.
Bad thing is I don't remember my watch.
It's getting kind of
Dark.
yeah, it's
And
getting
cloudy?
quite dark. I don't know what we should. Guys,
Jinx!
Jinx.
That's funny!
But I don't know why I'm laughing. It's the middle of like Halloween. If you look in Bunnings there, they've got like the Halloween pumpkins up and everything. It was right in the middle of Halloween. What was that? Was that you, Adriana?
And we've been watching like doll maker stuff.
We have.
Like that YouTube
you hear that
family.
Eli.
Oh.
That's not actually funny. Guys, who made
Someone
that
just drove
noise?
off like.
Are you serious? What should we talk about? I don't know.
Maybe Josie?
Jersey Fiddle. I've been teaching her swimming lessons lately, and that's because
In Moranbah.
she doesn't quite know how to swim. Look how fast those clouds are moving.
It's like
You guys might not be able to see, but it's like. And yeah, she doesn't know how to swim properly, so I've been teaching her. She was really scared. She was hanging on to me and scratching me, but that was alright because she didn't know. I tried to show her where the steps are. I might make a video. I don't know because I don't want to drop my iPad in the water. But are you serious? That was you. God, this is happening again.
But that time it was creepier.
Guys, what's that noise? That's not funny.
But does that sound familiar to you?
I
How
think
did
we're
those
gonna end it here. It's a really short video, but you know this is really creepy. We're gonna end it here.
There's Mum and Dad. Mum and Dad's here. They're coming.
Guys, the lights just went out. What do we do? See ya!